What's up guys, for today's video, aalamin natin kung kung magkano yung gulong ng ating Sniper 155 sa harap at likod. So yung gulong nito stock tire is Maxxis yung brand, original. Extra Max size 120 by 70 by 17. Then sa unahan is 90 by 80 by 17. So nag-search ako sa Orange app, ito yung presyo niya. Papakita ko sa camera. Ayan. Yung 120 by 70 by 17 is nagkakalaga ng 4,000 to. Wala pa yung shipping fee. Ayan. 120 by 70 by 17. Maxxis yan, original Maxxis. Yung sa unahan naman is 90-80 by 17. Yan, nagkakalaga ng 1,891. Wala pang shipping fee yan. Ayan. 90 by 80. Magpadaplin sa tayo truck. Dali. Ano? Then yung sa ibang brand naman, nag-search din ako sa ibang brand. Yung Beast na brand, yung 120 by 70 by 70 nila is 2,288. Yan. Mas mura to kaysa Maxxis. Mahal Maxxis kasi original. Yan yung forma niya. 120 by 70 by 70. Nakita no? Okay. Then next, pangunahan 90 by 80 by 17. 1,364. Yung Beast na brand. Yung Beast na brand. Yan. So, yun yung presyo niya mga boss. May kamahalan. Ayan. Sabi niya? Maxxis. Maxxis. Extra Max. Tubeless. Yan. So, all goods. Thank you. Bye-bye and God bless.